name's Dan O'Brien. I'm here for my AHT here, which would, I'd like to have the controls right up here, right up here. Right up here. I'd like to have the controls right here, so that you can power the whole thing. The steering wheel right here, with the controls right here, control arm. We want the new remote controls to go right here. Remote controls back here. So we want the steering wheel and the throttle off kill right here. Steering wheel, throttle. Steering wheel, throttle. See, I'd have my electronics up here, and right here, and up here. All the electronics. If I could have a Jeppesen dongle somehow for my Panasonic. Got the electronics up here. The throttle right here. Throttle, steering wheel. You got everything here. Throttle, steering wheel. Remote control, just forget that remote control right there. Just put a brand new one right here. I don't know if you heard me or not, but it's true. Forget those remote controls there. Put a brand new remote control right here. Forget about those controls back there. Forget it. Disconnect them and put a brand new remote command post right here. Right here. That's what I want to do. I want to put remotes right here. Right here. Be fun. Aht Command Replacement. We want, see right here is the command post. That's where we want it, and the steering wheel right there. Right there. See how the steering wheel's here and here? We want this, we want these and this right here. Right here. Up in the front here. We want to put the remote controls right here. Right here instead of right here. My name's Dan O'Brien. This is the Aht Command Replacement Technologies AHT. We want the remote and the steering wheel and everything to go right here, and the throttle off to the left, right. Instead of having them right here, we want them right there. Aht Command Replacement Technologies, man. We want the remote controls to go right there. Right there. And that's the command seat for the pilot. We want the command post to go right here. We want the throttle and the steering wheel to go right there. This is the command seat. I'm seated in here. See the steering wheel right here and the throttle over here. Steering wheel right here. Throttle right here. Complete indoor fishing engineering. The throttle and the control. The control right here and the steering wheel right here. I'm in complete control of the boat from this point. That's where I want it. Complete control over the boat from this frontal console here. Alpinamon Hydro B1. It is up to you. Alpinamon Hen Regatta Technologies 2023. AHT vessel reorganized.